Hi, my name is Lucky, and this is my submission for my Wiki project. So as you can see, this is the home page. If I refresh, as you can see, we render the index.html, and if I go here and I type wiki slash css, as you can see, it renders the CSS page. And if I just show you with something else, instead of type general, you can see it displays general. But if we were to type something that doesn't exist here, like X for example, as you can see, it takes us to an error page. And as you can see, if I were to bring back CSS again, you see the title here is the name of the entry. And if we go to our index.html, as you can see, every entry here, what is listed is a link, and the links lead you to the entry or whatever the name is, as you can see here. So if we look at our search box right here, if we type something like Python and we search it, we get the entry, the Python wiki entry here. But then if we search like a substring, something like this, what we get are search results that contain that substring. And if I search something like S, you can see we get CSS. If I search T, we get all these here. And if I click on this, as you can see, it works. It takes you to the entry page for whatever link that was. And so if we go to create a new page here, as you can see, we have a title and a text area for Markdown content, and a button to create and save the page. So let's try and create a Python entry, knowing that Python already exists here. And we just say Python, give it a title, and say, for example, a type of snake. Let's say we don't know that this already exists, and we try to create it. As you can see, we get an error message here telling us this already exists. But let's say we create something that does not exist. Give it a title again, and just give it some content. You can see we can create it. When it's created, it takes us to the entry page for what we just created. And yes, as you can see, it is now in our index.html, and we can access it. And here we have an edit page button. If we click on it, it takes us to the edit page, and as you can see, it's already pre-populated with the content, the Markdown content. And let's add something to our entry. You can see, and if I edit page, it's updated here. And if we go to index.html, come back, it's still updated. So the next one is random page, and as you can see, it always gives us something random. And yeah, everything, as you can see, is converted from Markdown to HTML. And yes, that is my project. Thank you.